So if your Jeep hinges look like this with the chips here, and you want them to stay looking like this, then this video is for you. And I'm gonna show you how to install the Rock Stoppers, which are gonna put a protective film on your hinges so they don't look like this and they stay looking like this. So I ordered this Rock Stopperz door hinge protection kit. As you can see, this helps against rock chips that you'll get on your door hinges because the door hinges on the Jeep are external. And so these are see-through, you'll never know that they're there, and they're made from 12mm thick film.
Yeah, well, this is handmade quality shit we're talking here.
It's a perfect fit, easy to apply, and I'll show you guys how to apply it right now. So when you open it up, this is what you get in the kit. Some Rock Stopperz sticker, which you guys, again, I love stickers. And then you get one for each door here. I have a 4-door, so I have 4. So what I would get is a clean cloth, some rubbing alcohol to clean the hinges, and that's pretty much all you need. So what you're gonna do is just clean the hinge, right? You're gonna clean the hinge with some rubbing alcohol just to get all the dirt and oil and grime off of it. As you can see, mine's pretty dirty. I'm gonna do this to both sets. And I got mine not on the Jeep right now because I have my tube doors on, but it's not necessary for you to take them off. So now that those are all clean, let's get the Rock Stoppers on. So I have the decals here, the protection. Now this long one here is gonna go on this hinge here. And the other one, the smaller one here, is gonna go on the lowers, basically, the lowers of your hinges. That's where they're gonna go. So I've just gently laid this film on, and I'm just gonna smooth it around there. I mean, I already have a chip there, but we definitely don't want to make it worse, and we don't have chips on all of them. But that's just one. I'm not going to show you how to install all of them. I mean, you guys get the picture. I mean, they're fairly invisible. You cannot see it unless you really get up close, but they will protect your Jeep. So I just got done putting all of these on every door and the bottom hinges on the Jeep. Easy install, took me probably less than 10 minutes. And you can get this on Amazon for I think about 25 bucks. The link will be in the description below. So if you don't want your hinges to look like mine, and you want to keep them looking like this, head to Amazon, give me a like, a comment, and if you would like, subscribe for more content like this. Alpha out.